See if it's recording, Brandon.
I will see. Yep, it is.
Yeah.
Alright, here we got the unboxing of the Lucky, of the tackle, of the box, of the thingy, yes. Lucky Tackle Box Theater. And, drum roll please. We've got, oh wow. Oh, watch your hand. Oh, I got a diver frog. Oh, I got a diver frog. Oh, would you quit? I got a diver frog. That's cool. I got a can of something. I don't know what that is. Holy moly! Wow! Hold on, wait. I gotta look at these. Okay, so we've got Fisher's Choice Super Worms.
Ooh, we got worms.
Now we got a diver frog. I've been wanting one of these very, very badly.
I wish I had one. Why are these?
We got a
big
giant Reaction Strike Fathead Junior 5 inches. Wow, those are huge. Oh, that's so cool. We've got big, huge, humongo weighted Reaction Strike Junior hooks. These are 7/0 3/8 ounce. That is so freaking cool.
What is this for? Wow.
Plus, we got the Excite.
I wish we could look how big
Excite Craws, but the Fish Wash isn't in here. We got a bonus item of a knife. Alright, well, that's very strange. Okay, well, so this is missing. I don't know what to say about that. So, alright, well, I guess I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Or next time.